To use Debank Coinbase wallet integration. Start by understanding what Debank and Coinbase wallet are. Debank is a comprehensive crypto portfolio tracker that allows users to manage their digital assets across multiple platforms, while Coinbase Wallet is a popular digital wallet for storing and managing cryptocurrencies. The integration of Debank and Coinbase Wallet enables users to track their Coinbase Wallet assets within the Debank platform, providing a unified view of their entire crypto portfolio. To set up this integration, first ensure you have a Debank account and a Coinbase wallet. Next, log into your Debank account and navigate to the Add Wallet section. Select Coinbase Wallet from the list of available wallets and you will be redirected to the Coinbase website to authorize the connection. On the Coinbase website, review the permissions requested by Debank and confirm the connection if you agree. Once connected, your Coinbase wallet assets will be visible within your Debank account, allowing you to track their balance and transactions in real time. To get the most out of this integration, make sure to regularly review and update your wallet connections to ensure your portfolio remains accurately reflected within Debank. Additionally, be mindful of the security implications of connecting your wallets to third-party services and always follow best practices for securing your crypto assets. By following these steps and maintaining a secure and up-to-date connection, you can leverage the Debank Coinbase wallet integration to streamline your crypto portfolio management and make more informed investment decisions. This integration is a powerful tool for anyone looking to simplify their crypto asset tracking and management.